Greetings, dear all. I am Shengli Jiang, the Assistant Researcher at Institute of Social Sciences, East China University of Political Science and Law. I am the author of The Aftermath of the United States Space Resource Exploration and Utilization Act, What's Left for China. This paper is also co-authored by Professor Zhao Yun from Faculty of Law, the University of Hong Kong. In this paper, Professor Zhao and I firstly make analysis on the U.S. Space Resource Exploration and Utilization Act, and put emphasis on analyzing the legislative aim of the Act. We think that the unilateral approach taken by the United States by enacting the Act, that is, to directly grant private entities the right of appropriation over space resources, and indirectly and impliedly create possibilities for the United States to enjoy the right of appropriation over space resources, will doom to have negative impact on the existing space law regime. Then we review that the core reason why the legality issue of the above Act should be questioned is that the legal nature of and the attribution of right over space resources remain in question. As for the legal nature of space resource, we have to admit that the international community has not yet reached consensus on the application of the concept of common heritage of mankind in the Moon Agreement. And as for attribution of right over space resources, it should be noted that, on one hand, private entities should not be granted the right of appropriation over space resources under any circumstance, while on the other hand, the right to use and profits should be granted to private entities, and such profits should be set at an appropriate level for private entities, so as to obtain the due interest from the exploration and utilization of space resources. It cannot be denied that the unilateral approach of the United States by adopting the above Act is not an idle way to deal with the problems in space resource exploration. And as a major space foreign nation, China should take a proactive approach in both national legislation and international cooperation in this field. Especially at the international level, China should consider establishing an appropriate international regime for space resource management. For this paper, we make detailed suggestions on how to establish such an international regime on both framework and specific ways. Professor Zhao and I hope that this paper can attract more attention and discussion on the legal issues on space resource exploration. And any comment and suggestion on this paper is warmly welcome. Thank you.